and the research. They are also involved in publishing the scientific publication, the magazine, the site. Today, that has been the demotion has been takes place by the Honorable Deputy Minister and Health Minister today. Thank you, Dr. Health Minister, to giving us time, valuable time to present the great presence in this occasion and making this program a great success. I would like to touch a little bit history in the program of B Optometry program. At the initial day, we don't have faculty member, and some invitees visiting faculty from the University of Auckland, and the periodic visit of some faculties member and our ophthalmologist were involved in the education of optometry program, involving in the research as well. So that was a difficult time in early days. After that, we had a few graduates up to second batch. At that time, the program was 3 years bachelor program, and the curriculum was revised and made a 4-year program. And after completion of the few years, then the pass out, our graduates started as a teaching assistant and involved in the education program. So internalization and the support of the initial those graduates has helped a lot to bring this program at this level. So I would like to thank those initial faculties member and all ophthalmologists, doctors, and a special thanks go to Dr. Suraj Sakya, the first coordinator of B Optometry program, and the founder of this visionary scientists and the leaders, Professor Sasank Koirala, the Vice President of Nepali Congress, Professor Madan Prasad Upadhyaya, BPI Foundation Chairman, ex-Chairman, Professor Purna Chandra Karmacharya, Dr. D.N. Shah, Dr. Jeevan Kumar Srestha, and all. So I would like to thank everybody. Thank you the organizer. Thank you the supporters, national and international supporters, making this inaugural program and the coming conference grand success. Thank you everybody. Thank you for giving me opportunity to speak a few words in this special and historical occasion. Thank you everybody.
Thank you, Anand sir, for raising the issues of government posts, job opportunities of optometrists in Nepal. Professor Sharma is among us since the start of optometry education in Nepal. It is our great pleasure to take this opportunity to felicitate Robert F. Kinnear in this auspicious inauguration ceremony of this All Nepal Optometry Conference. I would like to call upon Dr. Safal Khanal to put few words on Robert Kinnear.
Thank you, and good morning to all. It's a true honor and great privilege to introduce Mr. Robert Kinnear to you all. I know it's difficult to put Bob's biography into a few words, but at the risk of failing miserably, I'll give it a try nonetheless. Bob was born in New Zealand, and after completing his optometry exams, he spent 2 years in London practicing optometry. He then returned to Auckland and he took up a private practice in Auckland, specializing in contact lenses, following which he took up a position as a Senior Clinical Supervisor in the University of Auckland School of Optometry and Vision Sciences. He spent almost 30 years in the University of Auckland School, and during that time, Bob traveled to Nepal several times in his efforts to establish an optometry course, and also to held concurrent meetings with different stakeholders, and also lobbying with ministries both in Nepal and New Zealand. After 17 years of efforts, optometry course was finally established in 1998, and Bob still continues to support the program greatly. We're truly pleased to have you here. So when I first met Bob in 2012, and I had few more interactions in New Zealand, and I must say he's one of the most humble and one of the most down-to-earth person I've come across with. It is our great pleasure to have you here at this historic event. You may be surprised to know that this is the 20th time that Bob has been to Nepal, but knowing his desire and passion for optometry, it doesn't surprise me at all. In his own words, and I quote, he says, "This is the 20th time I've been to Nepal in my lifetime, so I'm really in my other home." Personally, on behalf of Nepalese Association of Optometrists, I'd like to say a huge thank you for your pioneer work in establishing the course here in Kathmandu, and for your long-standing support to the profession in Nepal. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Robert F. Kinnear.
Words are few, felicitations are not, but we owe our deep respect to you, sir. I would like to request our Chief Guest, Deputy Prime Minister and Health Minister, Honorable Upendra Yadav, and Chairman of this ceremony, Sanjeev Mishra sir, to jointly felicitate Robert F. Kinnear. म यस कार्यक्रमका प्रमुख अतिथि उप प्रधानमन्त्री तथा स्वास्थ्य मन्त्री माननीय श्री उपेन्द्र यादवज्यू तथा यस कार्यक्रमका सभापति श्री सञ्जीव मिश्रज्यूलाई बब किनियरलाई दोसल्ला र भातगाउँले नेपाली टोपी लगाएर सम्मान गरिदिनु हुन अनुरोध गर्दछु। We would take this opportunity to award him with the Eminent Service Award. On this auspicious occasion of first All Nepal Optometry Conference 2018, we express our heartfelt gratitude and great reverence for your pioneering and memorable service to the optometry fraternity. We are obliged to your invaluable contribution and support. We wish for your good health and long life and believe that you will always be guardian to us. So it is our pleasure, it is our privilege to take this opportunity to award him with Honorary Life Membership Certificate. The honor of life membership is gratefully presented to Robert F. Kinnear in recognition and sincere appreciation of outstanding support and contribution to this organization. This honor recognizes the commitment demonstrated towards the programs, activities, and vision of Nepalese Association of Optometrists. Thank you. I would like to request Robert F. Kinnear to express his few words here to us.
Namaste. This is a very special event. Hope I'm not getting anything back from the microphone. It's 20 years ago this month that the Bachelor of Optometry degree, it sounds better there, right. Okay. In 1979, I joined a small group on a Mount Everest base camp trek.